Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on Anna and Elsa panel from Frozen, the movie Frozen, the cartoon, animation. And this panel right here is Sister's Snowy Scene panel, if anybody was interested in it. And the backing, I did take a picture of it, so hopefully we can get it either at the end of the video and also what it was called as well, because it's got a nice little sparkle to it. I really liked it. So I thought maybe some people might be interested in it, so I just thought I'd take a picture and be on the safe side. So what I like to do here is, the customer said do whatever I like. So when I didn't really want to do an edge to edge through the face. So I thought we could just do a little highlight around and maybe do the inner eye, maybe around the lips, see how it goes. And then we could just go around the braids and so on and so forth. But I also wanted to do a little bit of fun and kind of whimsical like stitch out in the little border here. Okay, so let's do that first. Okay, we're just going to start off somewhere in the center. I'm just going to kind of do like a little swirl, and then we're going to echo that swirl. Okay. 12 stitches per inch. It's off the belt. Don't forget to move and breathe and just be fun and fluid with your motions. Hope everybody's having a really good day and things are going your way. You're going to find that sometimes the different ways you're quilting come more natural than others. So, there we go. Let's stop it right quick here. So let's stop it right there. I can always swing back up. Well, we'll have to roll the quilt first. There we go. And then, well, that'll be the outside border. I think that'll look very lovely. And then just to go around the girls, you just kind of want to start somewhere and either put a ruler plate on and use a ruler to help guide you, or just free it. And if you don't like it, you can always pick it out. Okay. And just be slow and steady with your movements. And I'm not going right on the right outside edge. I'm trying to ride inside the the hair itself, the hair color itself. Okay. And of course, when it tries to come to the flesh, you kind of want to just hug it. Turn this out of the way. Okay, all right, here's a good spot. All right, just to pause her there. So just kind of highlight it. Like I said, if you don't like it, you can always take the stitches out and start all over again. It's not permanent. And then I'll also come in and go around the collar. I'll try and go in between the braids of the hair. And, you know, I'm not a little sure about this one, but we'll figure something out there for sure. And that'll be the Long Arm Wednesday. So that'll keep me out of trouble all day and then some. That's for sure. I'm trying to think of where do I want to come back up now. If I can come down to here, I'm not sure I can with my plate. I might be able to make it to here and come back up. So let's try that. Okay, is that what it was? Is the collar up? I think we'd have to pick that out. Looks like the collar came up here, but I just couldn't quite see it with the light. That's okay. We can pick it out. It's not permanent, see? Easy peasy. Just overlap a bit of your stitches, that's all. Okay. I'm trying not to get that bottom thread jammed up or knotted up underneath your project either, okay? So, all right, well, I'll continue this, working on this, and like I said, hopefully you find something to keep you busy this Wednesday. All right, take care, everybody. Big hugs from us at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and hopefully maybe this inspires you. You don't have to put a whole quilt together. You can just start with the panel and go from there, okay? Take care. See you soon. Don't forget to hit the notification button and the bell and the sub and, you know, thumbs up it. Okay.